Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove any object from any video using Kinemaster. So if you use this app, all you have to do is open your project, tap a create new here, and use the aspect ratio. Is up to you if you want to use it for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and other account. So this is the video, my project. So this is the I want to remove the lamp under the video on the video. It's very easy. All you have to do is tap the layer and tap the handwriting. Here in this handwriting option you can use brush, pencil, eraser here. So you can use the shape, for example the sorry, you can drag this handwriting overlay first and start from the in the minute of one here, and use this shape, black shape here. As you can see, sorry, it doesn't change. You can reset by a tap undo. Let's start again. So this is the color, black color. Try to use black color and use this a black shape again here. As you can see, I try to cover the lamp here. So let's see how it's done. So there is still small light under, but it's not, never mind. So please feel to try use this a feature. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.